I got this hot air brush from Jumia. It is the one step hair dryer and styler hot air brush. This is not the Revlon one step hair dryer and styler. I think this is made in China. So I think it's like a copy of the Revlon one step hair dryer and styler. So this is how it looks like. This is how it came in the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it now. And it came with a manual. So this is it. Okay, so the controls here, there is off, there is low, there is middle, and there is high. I'm going to use this to blow dry my hair. I am actually not blow dried my hair by myself before, so this is going to be my first time, and this is what I'm going to be using. So let's start. There's this smell that actually comes from it, like the smell of new plastic, the smell of new, yeah, I think new plastic or something. But it's read in the manual that it is going to go away after a while. So these are the two side by side. The one on the right is the original and the one on the left is the copy. As you can see, the colors are different and the shape is also different, especially at the head. So I got this copy from Jumia at around $15 thereabouts. I just washed my hair. My hair is freshly washed and damp. So I'm going to go in now with this blow dryer and use it on my hair. Fingers crossed. This product is actually not very hot, so I'm going to go in directly with the high setting. So previously I've applied the heat protecting serum all over my hair to avoid heat damage, but this product is actually not hot, so I'm going to just start with the high setting. This is the first section that I just did, and well, I think I'm loving this process. So let's just do it all over the hair. So I'm done with half of my hair, and this is the side that has been blow dried, and this is the side that has not been. So I'm going to do this other half of my hair off camera and then I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I think the most important thing I'm loving about this is the volume it gives. Overall, I think it did a good job at blow drying my hair, but it did snap a little at my hair. So if you have fine hair, you want to be really careful with this, or maybe get it professionally done instead. I love it, and I'm definitely going to try it again. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I have another video where I showed how I moisturize and seal my hair to prevent breakage and retain length. You should definitely see that video next. See you next time.